Welcome back to English Klasa Podcast, where we learn English together, one sound at a time. I'm so glad you're here. In today's episode, we'll learn all about the long A sound. That's the sound A makes when it says its name. A, like in cake, rain, and baby. Let's get started. The letter A can make a short sound like in cat, but it can also make a long sound. A. Say it with me. A. Like the name of the letter. Again. A. Smooth and clear. Here are some words with the long A sound. Cake. Rain. Game. Train. Baby. Do you hear the long A? Let's spell them together slowly. Cake. C-A-K-E. Rain. R-A-I-N. Game. G-A-M-E. Train. T-R-A-I-N. Baby. B-A-B-Y. Repeat after me. A, A, A. Cake. A, A, A. Rain. A, A, A. Game. Great job.